This is how to clean your Siemens Series IQ washing machine's detergent drawer. So look at the drawer, the top of the fascia here, at the end, as you would. Pull it out. And then what you'll find is inside there is a blue button. So it's simply push down the blue button and pull out. There we are. Move that to the sink. Ooh, look at that, I've grotty. So the pre-wash, softener, and main wash goes down into this hole here. So what we'll do first, we'll just clear this grotty. You're going to need some warm water, cold water, a bit of soap maybe, a little bit of not fairy, not washing up liquid, don't use washing up liquid, but maybe a bit of abrasive just to remove the mould. This way is just the normal wet cloth version. You can move quite a bit of it this way. Don't forget you need to obviously clean at the sides, at the jets at the top, up here, around jets, anywhere you can see mould really. And then you also need to clear down here, this little sill bit here. As you can see, powder does build up occasionally here, and this will, if over time, it will prevent the drawer either going in fully or make the drawer sticky to come in, to go in and out. So just rub around there, rub any powder, any mould, any debris you will see. We'll get down here as well because it's there as well. There we are. Right, now we'll work on the drawer. Alright, so we'll grab the drawer here. You can see the dirt here, there's some mould in there, a bit of detergent residue, and this is all that needs to come out. So if we take the softener grate out, simply lift up, that's it. You can either, two ways, you can either fill up the sink itself and put hot and cold water in. But you need hot water. Hot water removes the detergent very freely, very easily. Maybe a toothbrush, you'll get, but you only need this go before going over, as it were. Use fingers, use a cloth. So now it's a lot more cleaner than what it was. Not brilliant. This is for a video test, so, and this doesn't look like it's been cleaned in ages. So simply take your grate, soften grate, point it to the max. So have it so your tray's facing towards you. Have it so the max here is facing towards you. Locate that little hole here. Place that over the top. And then these should fall into place here either side. And you'll hear it click into place. So let's put the tray back in now. Right, so you got your tray. Get it about centre there. Line up this side and this side. Push. There we are, it fits into place. Get a towel, rub it over. And there we are. What you now want to get is, just, because this is chrome here, we've got some stainless steel cleaner. rub over very quickly. And then re-rub over. So, a towel, keep it all dry. There we are. And that's how to clean your drawer in the Siemens Series IQ washing machine.